So I was really mesmerized with that city, Udaipur. It was nice. I did some shopping from there. I brought some nice stuff, and it was a good time being there. But lot of palaces. चेंज मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है और इसलिए मुझे हमेशा से लगता है दैट चेंज इज रियली नाइस, तो उसलिए थोड़ा सा एंड a nice sari is there, so it's a very pretty and a beautiful sari, and like I said, I really like it, except that things are not within your control. They happen, you have to just accept. There are good phases, there are bad phases, but they are just phases. They are temporary, they will go away one day, and you don't need to think. कोई रीजन नहीं मिलने वाला है बहुत बड़ा रीजन, अगर आप पूरी लाइफ एक बहुत बड़े रीजन पे डिपेंडेंट है, एक इवेंट पे डिपेंडेंट है, देन यू विल। हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू अपराजिता टेल व्लॉग। सो आज के व्लॉग की मैं शुरुआत कर रही हूँ और समय कुछ 5-5:30 हो रहा है। काफ़ी लेट हूँ मैं अपने व्लॉग की शूटिंग में, टाइम नहीं मिल रहा था, और जैसा कि मैंने कहा मुझे कुछ स्क्रीन टाइम कम करने के लिए भी बोला गया है, सो इस वजह से भी मुझे थोड़े से इश्यूज हो रहे हैं वीडियो टाइम पे पोस्ट करने पे एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ। सो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है मेरे लिए, बट आई एम ट्राइंग कि मैं अपना स्क्रीन टाइम रिड्यूस के साथ आपके साथ बात भी कर सकूं। सो आई थॉट बट एनी हाउ I'll do what I like to do. So new haircut for a change. चेंज मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है और इसलिए मुझे हमेशा से लगता है दैट चेंज इज रियली नाइस, तो उसलिए थोड़ा सा एंड विंटर सीजन एनी हाउ शॉर्ट हेयर मेक सेंस। आप खोल सकते हो, गर्मी में मुझे बहुत गर्मी लगती है, तो आई डोंट लाइक इन समर्स टू हैव लाइक open hair because it makes me just too sweaty, and I don't like garmi. By the way, yeah, it's been a long break. It's been long time since Diwali that we haven't talked, so I thought maybe I should make a vlog with this. A nice sari is there, so it's a very pretty and a beautiful sari, and like I said, I really like these type of colors. तो ये colors मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है, ब्लू की शेड्स जितनी भी हैं, तो I really love that. So I thought why not let's talk about, so update as in the last talk I had, I said that I have to introduce my screen time. In the meanwhile, I just went to have some vacation, to holiday, to take a chill pill, to feel good about myself, to feel within my body, to accept that things are not within your control. They happen, you have to just accept them the way they are. And I went to Udaipur, and you must have seen my lot of shots there when I went to Udaipur. So I explored a lot of places, palaces. So I was really excited for a city with so many lakes. मैंने जिस जगह से मैं आती हूँ वहाँ पे लेक्स नहीं होती सिटी के बीच में, सो आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड व्हेन आई वेंट देयर। आई वाज लाइक देयर आर सो मेनी लेक्स, सिटी के बीच में एक लेक है, यहाँ पे भी लेक है, वहाँ पे भी लेक है। सो आई वाज रियली mesmerized with that city, Udaipur. It was nice. I did some shopping from there. I brought some nice stuff, and it was a good time being there. But lot of palaces, lot of lakes and everything. I just love that space. So back to the basics. So thought of updating you about this. आप बताइए आप क्या कर रहे हैं? So like I said, please make some time for moments of joy. Joy बहुत ज़रूरी है लाइफ में. So मतलब there are 100 reasons to crib about, cry about. But आप जब भी joyful mood में होते हैं, so you in a day you should find that space to be in that joyful moods. I always do that. Like I said, I really love to be in that space where I'm all happy and all gala. So कोई रीज़न नहीं मिलने वाला है बहुत बड़ा रीज़न, अगर आप पूरी लाइफ एक बहुत बड़े रीज़न पे डिपेंडेंट है, एक इवेंट पे डिपेंडेंट है, देन यू विल बी हैप्पी, देन यू विल बी जॉयफुल. दैट्स रियली नॉट गोइंग टू मेक सेंस टू यू. फाइंड स्मॉल मोमेंट्स वेयर यू कैन really like feel grateful about, and you can feel good about. And those joyful moments, I always believe that the small moments that give you joy are the moments that really drive you through the tough times even when life becomes really a struggle, you just recall back that small moment where you were really happy. So when I get sad, or when I find that I'm not in that space to experience joy, I always go back to my little childhood days, that happy little girl who used to sit on and write, scribble something. She used to dress up and dance, and she used to stand on a window and watch outside. So I always recall those moments. In fact, it's said, जब आपको कोई रीजन नहीं मिले, अपने छोटे की कोई फोटो निकाले जिसमें आप सबसे ज्यादा चीख चिल्ला के हंस रहे हैं, and you are excited like anything, and that look at that picture, you look so cute and nice. कोई रीजन नहीं था इतना खुश रहने का उस टाइम पे, but you were really really happy. So moments of joy and gratitude really matters. And like I said, there are phases of life, there are good phases, there are bad phases, but they are just phases, they are temporary, they will go away one day, and you don't need to think much about it, right? Be happy. Find a moment of gratitude and joy. In fact, this sari is giving me a lot of joy. this is called, I think, bandhani work. So this is what the shopkeeper told us. ये बंधनी का काम है जिसमें कुछ बांध के इसके ऊपर कुछ tie and dye कुछ वैसा कुछ काम करते हैं, and they made it, and I really loved it. the lightness of this cloth, the color, the fabric, the joy of wearing it, the joy of feeling that I am wearing it. It's such a light sari that it's making me so peaceful and happy and content in my space. So I'm really really loving it. And yeah, find moments of joy. So long time no see, but here I am talking to you all, taking a bit of a break to accept certain changes in life. Of course, those changes are of course my health, जो थोड़ा थोड़ा fluctuate कर जाती है. It's okay now, it's become part of it. I'm still acceptance, like क्या ही है यार, अब एक्सेप्ट ही कर लो, ये है पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ योर लाइफ है, अब इसके साथ रहना सीख लो. So I'm trying to do that. Along with that, a lot of time I'm trying to like spend with myself, to feel joy, to feel gratitude for so many things in my life. First and the foremost, that I am just here. The fact that I am here, right, is by itself a very happy thing. So you do not need external validation from the people that you are important. You are important for the fact that you are here. So, and you should keep validating yourself all the time. Don't look for external ways to do it. And like I said, I have often love it that way. So all blue. No, it's not blue. Yeah, so all colorful stuff to feel good about life. Life में अच्छा feel होता है. Of course, थोड़ा बहुत time निकालिए अपने लिए. नहीं निकालोगे time तो फिर किस चीज़ के लिए निकालोगे? So take out some time for yourself. Have that joyful attitude. Have that gratitude. Look at this small kid who was so happy and kind and content in whatever state it was. Abhi kya ho gaya? So you can always find that space. So that's it from Aprajita Tail vlog. No Gyan today, just a general update. Gyan as in you have to really be conscious, like about your energy. Energy in the sense ki how do you energetically want to feel in your body, and it's always a choice. How do you energetically really want to feel in your body? So let's say if you want to be really joyful in your body, you have to create that vibration, you have to create that frequency, and then you can go into that zone. So yeah, please make sure you create that joyful attitude and all this stuff. Thank you so very much for watching Aprajita Tail vlog. Do like, comment and subscribe. Yeah, you're joyful. You should be joyful. Joy is a really important emotion of your life, and anything can bring joy. Just the thought and the story that you're creating around that is really very important. So thank you so very much for watching Aprajita Tail vlog. Do like, comment and subscribe to Aprajita Tail vlog. मिलती हूँ मैं अगले व्लॉग में, शायद कुछ ज्ञान के साथ. ज्ञान नहीं तो कुछ ऐसी ही बातें करेंगे. बातें आप कैसे हैं, मैं कैसी हूँ, और इसी के साथ मैं इस ब्लॉग को समाप्त करती हूँ. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग Aprajita Tail vlogs.